Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on autocorrect in Outlook. Now to do that, you want to ensure that your account is properly set up, and you can do that or achieve setting up your account by heading over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice. Type in Microsoft Outlook and it will take you to this page where you can either set up your account, create your Microsoft Outlook account, or you want to set up or get signed into your Outlook. Now, to achieve that, ensure you have your email address, phone number, password, or all other verification information that will be needed for you to get yourself properly signed in. And when you've done all of those, ensure that you double check for two-factor authentication purposes. And when you've done all of that, you'll be properly signed in to your account, which will look like this. This is what the home page of your Microsoft Outlook looks like. Now, to show you how to turn on autocorrect in Outlook, you want to head over to your settings bar, which looks like a gear icon at the top right of your PC. Click on settings to take you to this page, and on this page, just head over to mail, which you can see over here, the third option on this list. Click on that and then go over here to layout and choose compose and reply. Now, after doing that, you want to search for the option spelling and autocorrect. When you find it on your updated platform of your Microsoft Outlook, just click on spelling and autocorrect in the editor option. All right, when you find that, scroll to editor option, click on the editor settings, and then turn on autocorrect. And when you turn that on, all forms of misspelled words would be replaced as you type your text. And when you're done, click on OK, and then that would be set up for you. This is how you can simply turn on autocorrect in your Microsoft Outlook. Remember that some of your mail settings might have been changed based on the upgrade in Microsoft Outlook. Ensure that you check these other platforms or these other menu bars to ensure that they are not already appearing there if you can't find them on this particular field. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to turn on autocorrect in your Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, bye for now.